All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So beneath, beneath, directly under, directly under. Yeah, beneath, beneath. The door is beneath me. Yeah. Yes, the entrance is beneath me. Yeah. What is beneath this floor? We have a lot of things beneath the roof, really. Yeah. There are some leaves. Leaves beneath the bench. Yes, let's try and get a leaf. Ah, yes, very good. Leaf. Very good. Yeah. How cool is that? They thought that the entrance was beneath them. They thought it was beneath them, but it's actually above them. See, they thought it was beneath them. No. She knew it was beneath her. He wanted to know why it was beneath him. I put it down there and beneath the floorboards. It has been beneath them for years. It has been beneath them for years, and they never knew. And they never knew. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. He knows what is beneath him. We know what is buried beneath these floors. Yeah. We know what is buried beneath this floor. Yeah. We know how to get down beneath the basement. Yeah. How cool is that? She's going to be beneath the exit. Yeah, she's waiting for me beneath the house. They are waiting beneath the house. How cool is that? Yeah. Do you think they will be beneath it soon? Yeah. Looking at the map, they should be beneath. They should be beneath the forest about here, right about here. Right about here, they'll be beneath it. Right around here, we should be beneath it. About here, we should be beneath it. Depends. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use beneath in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Very good. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.